Application Management. 1. Upload application. Enter App Store. Click Add button. Select the application. Then confirm. The application will show in the apps list after it has been successfully uploaded. 2. Install application. Turn on the switch to add the application to join configuration. Then enter Devices Configuration Profiles page. Click Create a new profile button. Input profile name and exit password. Turn on the install switch. Click Next, Next, and Confirm. Then click Confirm button to publish the profile. Select the device. Click Confirm to perform the policy. Now let's check the state of the device. The apps will show in the apps bar after they have been successfully installed. The notification bar shows the apps installed by your admin. 3. Uninstall application. Select the profile file, click Modify button. Turn on Uninstall switch, click Next button. Then Confirm. Select the device to perform the policy. The application have been removed. The notification bar shows the apps deleted by your admin. 4. Hide application. Select the profile file and click Modify button. Turn on Hide switch. Press the Next button and confirm. Then select the device to perform the policy. The application is hidden. 5. Kiosk and other functions. Select the profile file and click Modify button. Choose the features you want. Click Next button, enter Kiosk mode. You can select single application or multi-application mode. This function can help you to customize the UI launcher of the device. Click Next button, enter Setting page. It's including communication network mode, safe mode setting. You can choose to enable or disable the settings as needed. Please click Confirm when you are done. Then select the device to perform the policy. The device enters Kiosk mode as the setting. If you want to exit the Kiosk mode, please select the Exit menu and enter the password. Exit password is set by yourself at first. Thank you.